With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Students, the question is, consider the situation of figure. The work done in taking a point charge from P to A is WA, and from P to B is WB, and from P to C is WC. Students, as in this figure, it is clear that 3 points A, B and C are situated at the circumference of circle. So, the radius of this circle, suppose that is capital R. So, it is clear that the distance of point A, B and C is equal, which is equal to R. So, we can write that potential at A and potential at B and potential at C will be equal. Now, we can write that the work done in moving a charge from A to B will be equal to WAB, which we can write that Q VA minus VB, because VA and VB is equal, so it will be equal to 0. Similarly, we can write that WBC will also be equal to 0. And as in this question, it is given that the work done in taking a point charge from P to A is W. So we can write that work done in taking a charge from P to A is WA. So work done in moving charge from P to B, which will be equal to WV, and it will be equal to WA plus WAB, because the charge is coming from point, suppose this point is P and the work done is WA. So the work done in taking charge from P to B will be equal to WA plus WAB, and here WAB is 0. So we can write WB is equal to WA, and similarly work done from P to C is WC, as in this question P to C is WC. It will be equal to WA plus WAB plus WBC. That means the charge is coming from P to A, then we are moving this charge from A to B. After that, this charge is going from B to C. So the work done in bringing a charge from P to C will be equal to WA plus WB, AB plus WBC. Here WA plus WAB is 0, and this is also equal to 0. So it will be equal to WA. As from this equation and this equation, it is clear that the work done, as it is clear that work done in taking charge from P to A will be equal to work done in taking charge from P to B and work done in taking charge from P to C. So the answer of this question is WA is equal to WB is equal to WC. Thank you, students.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.